Jumping wire is to connect 2 points in mainboard with wires, which is a common technique of phone repair. Today we will show you some commonly used jumping wire skills. Here we can choose desoldering wick as the short bridge. We can pull out some lines. Put some soldering oil on the motherboard. Use a tipped soldering iron to spot welding. Clean it up, then have a check. As you can see, although the wire has been soldered, the tin paste at both ends of the wire is not full. The line is not strong. We put some high temperature tin paste on the motherboard. Tap lightly with the tip of a soldering iron. Add some tin to both ends of the wire. Clean up again. This welding is already perfect. Cut off the excess thread with a knife. We use the same method to weld the next points. The process of jumping lines is also a process of practice. Exercise our mastery of soldering iron. Okay, if you are interested in mobile phone repair, please follow our channel. See you next time.